Hello everyone, my name is Chancy. Today my poem is The Crocodile Toothbrush by Charles Sutton. The crocodile went to the dentist and sat down in the chair. And the dentist said, "Now tell me, sir, why does it hurt and where?" And the crocodile said, "I will tell you the truth. I have a terrible ache in my tooth." And he opened his jaw so wide, so wide. That's the dentist. He climbed right inside. And the dentist laughed. "Oh, isn't it fun?" As he pulled the teeth out one by one. And the crocodile cried, "You're haunting me so. Please put down your plate, sir, and let me go." But the dentist just laughed with a ho ho ho, and he said, "I still have 12 to go." Oops, that's the wrong one, I confess. But what's one crocodile tooth more or less? Then suddenly the jaws went snap, and the dentist was gone right off the map. And where he went one could only guess, to north or south or east or west. He left no forwarding address. But what's one dentist more or less?